Okay, today I'm back with part 2 of my huge Walmart haul. And today we're going to be focusing mostly on dresses. I have a ton of dresses and 2 jumpsuits. But if you missed part 1, that's where I had shorts, pants, tops, all the other things, skirts in that video. Because it was so much good stuff, I had to split it in 2. But I wanted to get this one out to you as soon as possible because, as you know, Walmart does sell out of these things. So I have some beautiful dresses to share with you. Great for summertime, some natural fiber ones, some fun colors, a couple sizing issues, and things that you may want to know if you love online shopping like I do. So if you're interested to see what I picked up and kind of how it looks, some extra details about them, then just stay tuned. Okay, diving right in. This first dress is 100% cotton poplin, $38, comes in extra small to 4X. And it has this beautiful embroidery detail, but it's mostly just a crisp white. So very stunning, looks a lot more high end than it is. I love the more conservative neckline, so you don't have any like kind of cleavage sticking out. It does have ties on the top, and you can adjust those wherever you like. So you can wear it a little higher, a little lower. And the back does have a panel of the shirring, so you get an exact fit. And then it does have a zipper with a hook closure and then a little panel. So just really nicely well done dress overall. I picked this up in a size small. I did like how that fit. It has a beautiful thick hemline at the bottom as well and is lined. So $38 for this stunning dress is a great buy. And it also comes in black if white is not for you. Okay, and next up, another beautiful dress from Free Assembly. This gorgeous floral kind of watercolor vibe dress is stunning on. And now this comes in extra small to double extra large, so not as many sizes. It is $38 and it is 100% cotton. And I just thought it was really pretty. So it does have the, I don't know what this would be, but the how it's put together almost makes the top look like it has the boning in it, but it does not. The dress is not lined, so just cotton. I love this little ruffle trim. It actually goes all the way around, and there are spaghetti straps that are adjustable. There also is a zip and hook closure and just a really pretty midi length dress. I think that you could just wear this to anything. You put a little sweater over it or some other third layer. I think last spring or summer I did do a third layer that you can throw over like tank tops and dresses. So I will link that video down below too if you like to throw something over your dresses, but 100% cotton for this beautiful style and only $38, great for summertime. And next up, this gorgeous sunny yellow, but it also comes in a beautiful light blue. I love this stripe detail, all the variations in the directions it's going, just beautiful. This does come in extra small to 4X, is $38 and 100% cotton or 100% cotton poplin. So it is a little bit more of that crisp cotton, but absolutely beautiful. The top does have some lining. It does have spaghetti straps that are adjustable, and it has nice size pockets. I just love the color. It is a bit of a deeper V, a little more low cut, so be aware of that, but you can adjust it up or down a little. Now, I will say the only thing that I'm not sure of for me is it does have that back cutout thing here. So, oh, and there is stretch in the back as well, so you can get that pretty snug. So I'm not sure I want to deal with that and finding the right bra and having that stick out, but I know that that is a popular style, so you may like it. I love the pattern. I kind of wish that wasn't there, but if that doesn't bug you, I think it's a beautiful dress. 100% cotton, $38, can't go wrong. Okay, and next up, one that is not low cut, actually totally conservative in the front and stunning on. So when I first got this, I was like, wow, that's a lot of white. But on, it gave me so many great like ideas of where to wear it because it's really flattering, really forgiving, very conservative, but really pretty as well. So you could wear this to church, but a baby shower, a birthday party, a barbecue, if you go to themed parties like an all-white party or a tea party, just anywhere, it's just stunning. It's so simple and so covering, but also stunning. So I loved the kind of lower waist here. It does have pockets. It is lined as well, and it has nicely lined. The cotton on the inside is the soft cotton as well, even though the outside's a little more crisp. It does have a nice thick hemline and lined on the whole top as well. It has a nice long back zip and a sleeveless look, but the armholes are not too big. It's just like a really nice fitted dress. I picked this up in a size small. Loved how that fit. This seems like a $150 dress at least, and it's only $36. So if they have this in your size, definitely scoop it up and give it a try. Okay, and next up, this gorgeous dress by Time and True is available from extra small to 3X, only $25. It is mostly cotton, also viscose and linen. I picked it up in a size small and I liked how that fit. The buttons up the front do button and unbutton, so you can wear it a little bit lower and put a cute little colorful tank or put a higher slit. I love the length. It does have pockets as well. It's just a nice easy wear dress. Now I did pick it up in this, what I would call like kind of a classic linen color, like a sandy color, but it does come in other colors. Not the straps, but the top is completely bra covering, which I love. And there is a little stretch panel in the back so you can get a perfect fit. So I did pick this up in a small and I felt it was forgiving. So it was a little more relaxed or skimming. So I probably could have even done an extra small. I might pick it up in another color in an extra small. I really liked it. I would say the feeling and look and texture is just like a worn-in linen. So a lovely option. You're going to be easy breezy in this material all summer long. So if you are in need of a kind of neutral dress that you could dress up or dress down, $25, great option. Okay, this one we're going to go through pretty quick because I do not recommend it. And this is the No Boundaries strapless little ribbed dress. It is so thin. I find it unwearable. I mean, it's almost like pantyhose. And I've tried some of their other strapless dresses with a more substantial cotton mix, I would say. So this is mostly polyester. It feels nice. It does have ruching on the side. I liked the length. I also picked this up in a medium, so I would suggest sizing up if you do go for this, but it is just absolutely too thin. So if you're looking for a dress that's too thin, I guess maybe as a bathing suit cover, if you don't mind, then that could work. It is only $10. There are some fun colors, but I really just didn't even like this, and it was so bad on, I couldn't even film myself in it. Okay, next up, one of my favorites, this cute Time and True, it's cotton viscose linen blend mini shirt dress. I thought was so unique and stunning on. Like, this reminds me of something that I would pick up from a much higher end store, probably Nordstrom or Anthropologie. It is so cute. So it has a cute little collar. I thought nice arm length sleeve with a faux cuff. So it's kind of finished off there. Looks really nice. I actually didn't find it too short, especially for it claiming to be mini, because I am taller and I'm 5'8", and most of my height is in my legs. So almost everything looks too short on me, even if it's not. And I thought this was so cute. So I did pick it up in an extra small because I was going for more of a fitted looking mini dress, because it does have a stretch panel in the back and I wanted it really nipped in. And so I loved that look. And then I love this pattern, this beautiful floral on here. Now, I believe this is a dark brown. So I think it is a linen color, like a sand color with the brown, which I love brown, obviously. My outfit of the day is all brown. And I also put my outfit of the day at the end of every video. If the items aren't still available, I'll link something similar. I think I got this whole outfit actually from Walmart as well. So if you do love Walmart, make sure you're subscribed so you are around when I pick up these great items. So this one does have pockets as well. I like the small buttons. I really loved everything about this one. And this does come in a few other color options if this color combo isn't for you, but only $23, just really flattering. And I think you could wear this to a lot of places all summer long. Okay, and next up, this cute crochet top maxi dress from No Boundaries. I love this color. It's just so fun. And this dress is only $20. So it does come in this beautiful kind of purpley fuchsia tone or white, but I loved the length. And overall, I just like the quality. So it does have this little crochet detail that is open. So you can see your skin through it, but it's so small. I didn't find it bad in any way. The top has some stretch so you can get the right little fit over your bust. It does have adjustable spaghetti straps. These cute little seashell tassels in the front I thought was a nice touch, and this is something I would probably throw over just going to like a little beach town or the lake, or just on a really hot day you want it to be airy and flowy and have a little pop of color. It is lined. It has a short little skirt underneath, so I felt it was like not see-through and just really nice. And I do buy a lot of natural fiber items, and so they don't always have like a bunch of fun colors. So it kind of is nice to have a couple of these on hand. This would be fun for a date night too, girls' night out, maybe a fair, a little festival. And no pockets or anything on this, but just a nice, fun, easy wear dress. Okay, and now on to the jumpsuits. So I really liked this one. The other one we need to talk about, it's coming up next. This is from Jessica Simpson. I love this. They're calling it a bandana print. They also have this in a lighter color that is a paisley print, but I thought the pants were so fun. They're almost like this weird ruffly skirt situation. So the whole thing almost looks like it's going to be a maxi dress, but it's a jumpsuit. So if you do not like dresses or you don't want it blowing open, it is a good option to have, especially if you're walking around somewhere that's windy and you don't want to deal with that. It does have these ties at the top, but they are attached. So you could snip that to adjust it a little more, but that is nice to have so that if it does come undone, it doesn't fall all the way off. I love this sweetheart neckline. It has a little ruffle and it is lined, and there is a shirring in the top, so you get a perfect fit, and that is all around the shirring. The bottom half is not lined, and it does look a bit sheer, so I would wear like biker shorts or something under this. I did pick this up in a size small, and I just thought a really fun, unique, easy one and done outfit. It is $39 and 100% viscose. And this is available in a size extra small to XXL. So just a fun piece to have on hand, kind of to just spice up if you want just a fun, easy outfit. Okay, and let me tell you about this jumpsuit. First, let's go over the specs. So it is from No Boundaries. It is available in double extra small to double extra large, only $18. Mostly rayon, so it feels great. I do not think it's see-through. It has a beautiful ribbing, spaghetti straps that are adjustable. I like this little V. I just think that kind of makes it look a little nicer. There are pockets. Feels great, an easy one and done outfit. This would be great for dinner, out, in the summertime. Really lovely. But I picked this up in a size small and I hated how that looked. So I'm gonna try, I don't know if I need a medium or a large. I would definitely say size up 1, if not 2 in this. So I think it should be a little bit flowier. It doesn't have that like fit and flare feel to me, but overall I did like so many things about it. I'm gonna try it in a size up. So cute option, super affordable. This only comes in the black or gray, but definitely size up 1 or 2 if you try this out. Okay, that was my Walmart haul for this month, and so many great finds. Be sure to check out that other video if you haven't seen it so you can see all of the things that I picked out personally. So I searched through everything and find the best stuff. And I wanted to thank you so much for dropping in and spending some of your time with me today. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the next one.